Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can unforget a Bluetooth device on your iPhone. So go here to Bluetooth, just press it for a bit and press it again, and go to Bluetooth settings here. Then you are going to want to scroll down and you're going to select the Bluetooth that you're going to forget, just like forget this device. You're just going to turn it off again, and you're going to enable your Bluetooth. Scroll down until you find the Bluetooth in other devices. My headset is like charging, so that's why it's like not coming up. Come on. There we go. Then you are just going to select the Bluetooth name that you want to connect again. And that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.